Number 3 asks us to identify whether each equation has a proportional relationship between x and y. So really that's just a fancy way of saying, is it in the form y equals mx? If you watch the video for question number 1, we're really thinking about the same idea here. So just to start, let's look at our 4 equations and see if we can identify which ones are proportional. So in A, we've got y isolated, we've got a coefficient, 7.25, and then we have x. No constants, no exponents, nothing else going on here, so we have a proportional equation. B, very similar setup, except we have a whole number as our coefficient. For C, if it seems like it's not in the form y equals mx, that's because it doesn't seem like it has the m in the equation. So we just have to remember that there's an invisible coefficient of 1 because 1 times x is just x. And then for D, we're close, but we've got this constant of -4, or we're subtracting 4 from x, so we do not have a proportional relationship in D. The next part of this question asks us to identify the constant of proportionality. So we did this as we identified each equation, but in A we had 7.25, in B we have 4, and in C we've got that hidden 1.